Hello, this is Sahida from Blank Napkin, and I want to show you how to create stunning images with quotes or just cover images or YouTube images, thumbnail images, whatever you want to create. We can actually create it with AI. And I gotta say, AI has gotten really good at creating images with text. Just a few months ago, it did an awful job. Now it's getting text like on point. So I want to show you how to do that. One of our members said she needed to create a cover image. I basically said to her, just send me the information that you would like, and I will just, put it together and give you a stunning image. Well, she wrote it out, sent it to me, and instead of me trying to finesse her prompt or what she wanted, what I did instead was preface her information by asking ChatGPT, well, you know, you are the prompt engineer, so you're the top prompt engineer at ChatGPT. You've got a photography eye. You have design and branding experience. Can you create a prompt for me that will give me the best quality cover image with a 16:9 ratio with the following details? And the following details, oh, I also said, and add what you think is missing. I always do that with all my prompts because we humans, based on our experiences and our knowledge and so on, we have limited knowledge. I mean, let's face it, we all have limited knowledge. But the GPTs, they were trained on all of humanity, everything we have. So why not tap into that, what I call huge database of knowledge, and let's see what we can get. And that's basically why I put that in always at the end of my instructions, that add what you think is missing. And here is her prompt. I'm not going to read it, but this is exactly what she wants. And she gave me whatever information she can. And once again, instead of me coming up with my own prompt, just basically preface it, give it a role, give it some information that it's supposed to be good at, tell it, give me also what's missing, and then you just add your, what I call 2 cents in, okay? What you want the output to be. And then you would press enter, and once you press enter, you will get an amazing prompt. She also sent me an image, and she said, can I be in the picture? I said, why not? All right, so here is what ChatGPT gave me. But again, since she gave me the image, I said, using the instructor's picture, create a minimalistic, and from here on is the GPT prompt. All right, I'm not going to read the whole thing to you. It's amazing, it's great, but this is where you need to understand what you want and further tweak it, fine tune it. So once I read the prompt, it said, put her on a light wood flooring. I said either, and this is where I wrote in, either outdoors with natural lighting, trees, or a simple studio. So you've got to have an idea as to what you want, because this is where you're going to tweak the prompt that they give you. And the rest of it I loved, so I just left it alone. I'm just going to scroll down. I'm not going to read the whole thing to you. Of course, you can pause the video and you can read the prompt. Okay, and there we go. So no busy background, no spiritual cliche, no excessive glowing effects. Again, I didn't write this. GPT gave it to me. And I'll scroll down again, and this is what it gave me, the first one, which is nice. It looks like her. And I love the stylization of the font, which I actually asked for. So I did tweak the font to give me the stylization. I did also ask for it to stylize her name, just to make it stand out. And I also did, again, this is me, ask it to use different colors where appropriate. All right, so it gave me this image where the Chinese bowl is in front of her. I didn't get the handle. That's okay. I'm working with a GPT. So, it's got a mind of its own. It's going to give me what it thinks I want. That's fine. I love it. But there's one thing I didn't like. I didn't like how the font looked weak, like it wasn't bold, it wasn't prominent enough, especially the subtitle. So basically what I did was I said, you know what? You have space to make the font bigger. Enter. And here's what it gave me. And actually, I kind of like this. It looks really good. So I'm just going to download this, send it to Laura, and hopefully she loves it. Anyway, this is just a simple tutorial showing you that ChatGPT and all GPTs, they are getting really good. So you can create some amazing design. You don't have to go to Canva, and you don't have to hire anyone to do your design. Once you know what you want, create the prompt, give it the role, tell it you are a prompt engineer at OpenAI, and then just give it the instructions that you want, and then you can fine tune the prompt as need be. So I hope this little tutorial is helpful for you to create some spectacular, amazing designs. I actually use this to do my quotes, my picture quotes that I post every day on certain social media platform. So I hope you guys find this helpful. If you create anything stunning, please just drop it in a comment. Let me take a look at it. Okay. This is Zahida signing off. Cheers.